Hi traders, today we will flip $10 to $1,000 by using base breakout strategy. So let's go for it. First of all, price made lower base, or we can say that it made support area. So lower base act as support zone or support area, and it's strong one. So that's our first confirmation for buy. Then it made upper base. We can say that upper base can be made with resistance zone or resistance area. Then price break our upper base. So it break resistance zone. So we can say that price can fly anytime. So we have opened our trades. It's rally based rally setup. We can say that price can fly anytime. So that's our continuation zone. By the way, price made demand zone also. So that's a good confirmation that price can retest this zone or demand zone. So it can fly anytime. Yes, that's what I am talking. So price made a good fly here, and we can close our first trade here. So now we can wait our second trade here. Here, I forget to record our second trade, but I can explain it. First of all, price made upper base, which is a good zone. Upper base react as resistance area. I already told you. Then it also made double top. Double top mean price retest that zone twice, so that's a good zone. Then it made lower base. Lower base also act as support zone. Then price, if we see closely, price break zone or break this area or break our support zone. So after breaking it, price can fall anytime. So it fall. Based on this strategy or based on this zone, we have opened our second trade and we are expecting price can go further down. So we can open more layers as we are expecting it can go down. The reason behind that is support become resistance. Whenever support become resistance, price can fall anytime. So that's our target profit zone area. We will wait when price reach there, and we can close there our profit. So that's a good zone. As we were talking, price reacting too much good. That's the power of base breakout strategy, or we can say that uh, support become resistance area. That on lower time frame, price also can fall anytime. So we have opened our second trades here and layers. Alhamdulillah, price reached to our TP zone. So here we can close our trade. I hope you like the video. See you in next video. Goodbye.